Lower that
Bags off, children entering first.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a giant foot.
We gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Monster in the sky, Sam!
This way!
We are at the scene, number one. Decon unit, in position. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down there.
Affirmative. On the negative, number one.
Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
You done yet, fool?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, fool, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Look, fool, there's your door.
Almost there.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. Well, lovely, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Prepare for decontamination.
We have to do this really spread out and lock it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can either confirm
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. It looks like you're all present and accounted for. Except you, sir. I can't account for you at all.